An update right now to a story we first brought you this summer. Charleston County School District is one step closer to implementing new technology to keep students and staff safe. Emma Charles has a closer look at the new tool that can signal an emergency with just the push of a button.
Training is underway for a new safety tool at CCSD, wearable panic buttons for staff. New technology is up and running. Next, teachers will learn how to use it.
It's a wearable panic button for teachers and staff. It has two functions. The first alert is to call a staff assist, to alert another staff member that help is needed. The second is a lockdown alert. Teachers and staff can input a special code to trigger a campus-wide lockdown.
So it's good to know that they're looking out for us, not just the teachers, obviously, but for all the children and all the students. We just have to keep finding ways to make ourselves safer. Unfortunately, it's not 1980 anymore where we didn't have these kinds of problems. We do have these problems now, and we can't bury our head in the sand. We have to prepare for them.
CCSD's security team began setting up the equipment for the panic buttons in August for 90 school campuses. The security team just finished training for their campus-based responders. These are the people that will receive the notifications for the panic buttons directly on their phone or computer and manage the crisis. Now their next step is in-person training for teachers and staff.
So not only to understand what the system does, but then how to use the system. That training includes each teacher, when they are issued the badge, has to actually test their badge so they can feel what it feels like, feel the vibration they get from the badge when it's activated, and then also it helps us send a signal to the system to ensure that badge is working.
Teachers tell me they think this will be a helpful tool and enable a much quicker response time.
The process now is very cumbersome. You have to go find a phone. You have to know what number you're dialing. And, it can be a long time before you actually get help. So I think this will definitely help streamline that.
This is just one of many safety measures Charleston County has taken to keep their students safe. And panic buttons have proven to make a difference.
We saw a solution like this used at Appalachia High School in Georgia last year in their school shooting, and so it got a lot of attention. It was credited by local public safety there in improving the response and speeding up the way they were able to respond to that emergency. But it's been something that we've been talking about in Charleston for a while and looking at, and just looking at all the totality of what's happened in other parts of the country, looking at ways just to improve our processes is something that we chose to adopt here in Charleston.
CCSD tells me they expect the panic buttons to be fully implemented across the district beginning in the new year.